I bought another flex fuel sensor. Let me explain why. So, to my conclusion, I feel like I done fried my flex fuel sensor because I had it directly wired to the battery. Now, you don't want to have anything sensor related directly powered to the battery because one, it could cause a shortage. It can short out the sensor by frying it. I'm not sure if that's accurate, but it sounds accurate in my head, so we're just gonna roll with that. All right, cool. So what I decided to do, the smart thing to do, I made a return through Amazon, so I'm gonna get my bands back, but I also went ahead and bought another one because it had one-day delivery. So I bought my flex fuel sensor yesterday after I discovered that I think I fried the sensor. So I'm gonna put in my new sensor right now, and we're gonna see what that thing look like though. But I'm getting my refund from the old sensor. So okay, so sensor is installed. I got it wired to my radio now, so now it's on the ignition 12 volt. So we're gonna see if it's working. I don't know, I'm kind of not determined, but like, I'm kind of determined. Maybe it would work, maybe not, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if the fuse blow? Nope, fuse didn't blow, so we're good. We got power to the flex fuel sensor. The wiring to the ECU is fine. Let's use Fred's little handy dandy computer right here. Oh shit, I think it's dead. All right. There's no error codes. All the way down. And it's not working. I don't know what's going on, man. I don't. New sensor, everything is good. Just not working. So, to my surprise, I had the board like basically one off. So now I'm back to having a check engine light. I don't know. I know that did not make sense just then, but this is the code I kept having when I was trying to dyno and after. Ethanol sensor input error. So I go to Hyundai website and they're saying that like it's a sensor malfunction with something. I don't know. Everything is wired correctly. That's a brand. I have been through 3 flex fuel sensors. There is no way I had 3 bad flex fuel sensors. There's just no way. The wiring is pretty good. I got it 12 volt cranked on. It's reading the correct amount of voltage that it needs. The ground is grounded. Everything is good. I just don't understand how this is happening to me. No idea, bro. No idea. So it is official, as you guys can read by the title of this video, baby. Woo! We finna go pick up a new exhaust. Not for this car, but luckily enough, we do have an exhaust coming for this car. And I'm only gonna mention the 2 alphabetical letters that determine what exhaust I have coming. Sorry, farting for the RSX. RR. Right now I'm heading down to West Palm Beach to go pick up, the new exhaust for the Integra. That's what's bracking right now, B. I have no seatbelt on, it's raining, and I'm actually living life on the edge because I don't know, bro. I need to, strap it up. The exhaust is made for an EK, but hey, bro, all Hondas are kind of the same. So I I just gotta do a little bit of modification, but nothing out of the ordinary, which what I don't do. So there's a bright side to this gloomy day, and my flexor sensor still not working. So I just got word from the homie Demetrius that an old high school friend of mine just passed away from a motorcycle accident, and it's like, god damn, man, like it's crazy, bro. Like, I don't mess with motorcycles, dog. If you're a motorcycle rider, you know what I mean, you enjoy riding motorcycles, just be careful, bro. Like, just be careful, all right? Like, look both ways, you know what I mean? I know motorcycle accidents usually happen because of other people and not really the cyclists, but dog, man, don't be speeding on them things, bro. Like, not when it's like weather like this out, you know what I mean? Like, it's like, it kind of that shit ruined my whole mood, man, because it's like, damn, I keep thinking about it. Like, I was told like 20-30 minutes ago, but I ain't want to make the tone of the vlog be, oh shit, make the tone of the vlog be all like sad and stuff. But man, it sucks, dog. Like, it sucks, bro. Knowing somebody like you did high school with and stuff, and you talk. Hell, I was on the phone with him last week. He called me to see if anyone had, what was it? If anyone had I think it was a D-series gearbox. Something he asked me for, and I was like, bro, I don't know nobody, and I didn't. And like a week later, today, he passed away from a motorcycle accident. Like, he went under a semi. Like, fuck, man. Shit sucks, dog. You never know. Time is so precious and valuable. Value that shit, alright? Time is valuable. Spend time with the people you love. And if there's people you don't talk to anymore, well, I can't say that because, nah, once you cross me, you're done. Like, I don't give a damn. Like, it is what it is. I don't give a fuck. But, like, you know what I mean? Like, value people who are in your life right now. You know what I mean? You never know when it's someone's time to go, and shit's sad, bro. Shit's real sad. Yeah! I'm here for delivery. Oh! I think I'm at the right place. Where am I? Where I gotta go? Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh! You guys see the Midori hatch? Oh, you guys, hold on. Let me hit that. Yeah. Oh! I'm annoying. I know. I'm sorry. Oh! Woo! We back! We back! Poom Poom Club is back, son. Me and Randy gonna be them Poom Poom Club boys, you heard? You in? Hey, what going on? What you? Yeah. The whole cool thing about this drive is that homeboy live right off 95. It's perfect. So now I'm finna exit back off Forest Hill Boulevard and get my ass home. I'm hungry though. I want some tacos. Bro, there's this new taco spot that just opened up in my town, like in my city or whatever. Bro, fire, bro. So fire. Hey, I know I'm in traffic and everything, but let me just show y'all what's happening. Oh shit, son. Don't judge me. My bitch, you pretty, you know the bass got.
Can I help you?
Hey, so let me get justice for Breonna Taylor, please, and 2 6-piece nuggets with sweet and sour sauce.
$5.57. Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh. Hey, man. Hey, what the fuck is the justice at? They forgot the damn justice for Breonna Taylor. Hey, man. Hey, man, get your ass up. Hey. Hey. All right. I guess. We out, bro. Where we going? Bruh. It is what it is, baby. You're. All right, G. Hey, be careful, bruh. My suspension and be bouncing a little bit. All right, so I made it to Randleezy's house. Man. Just look at it, bro. Ooh. Hey, man. Oh, he put the silencer back in there. Nah, we ain't running no silencer, bro. This thing is brand new, never been used. No scrape marks, no burn marks from the heat. Melting, not melting, but like burning through the stainless steel. Not burning, you guys know what I'm talking about. But bro, yes, it's back. It is back, boy. You guys see Randy's car. Yes, sir. Randy's car is just so nice, man. Oh, he got the dual seat. Hey, bro, he be showing out. Like, he's cool. Randy swear he's cool, bro. I wish I was like Randy. I wish I was cool, bro. One day. Hey, Randy, bro, what you think, bro? Hey, bro, hype me up, bro.
Hey, bro, you finna be like me.
Yeah, bro, you know the vibe.
Where's the spring?
No springs, I gotta order them.
So,
I know, I'm not putting it on right now.
Skinnier than mine.
That's what I'm saying. But this is a 2.5-inch piping.
Mine's a 2.5 too. But mine's a fatter. Well, fire.
Nah, your shit do look fat.
Move up with the fish, I'm talking.
Yeah, when I went to go pick it up, I'm like, damn.
Yeah,
I forgot how skinny this shit. I'm gonna lose so much power, bitch.
What is it called?
That's the mid pipe.
They call it a glass pipe or some shit.
Glass pack?
Glass pack?
Glass pack. This right here. But this is really a resonator, though.
I don't know, dude.
That's what it's supposed to be. It's a resonator, but I don't know.
I mean, after a while, this shit pretty.
This shit brand new. It's brand new. That's why I bought it. $300, bitch. I bought it. It's brand new.
That's a deal.
Yeah, all I gotta do now, I gotta order the springs.
He lost the springs?
Yeah, well, he lost it in a move. He just moved over here. So yeah, I lost it in a move.
You need 4 springs in total.
Yeah, they're $5 a piece. So that's $20 from Buddy Club website. So I order those, and then I'm a V-band.
I like your exhaust better.
I don't, bro. The way your shit sound, Rain, you gotta hear your car from outside, bro. I'm telling you,
Probably gotta hear.
bro. I'm telling you, bro. That shit. You drove it today to work? Damn. Hey, you be power shifting, bro?
Every day.
Hey, I'm gonna insert a clip of Randy power shifting.
Bruh.
See how fast he is, bro?
Today I did a first gear.
Uh-huh.
That shit moved, bruh.
It moved?
I just need to fix my first gear. I mean, the rack, so I can go.
This weekend.
I might not be able to.
What was going on? Oh, you picking up the girls?
Father's Day.
Oh.
They're doing a shit for my dad.
At Chacho house?
All the Chachos. And my dad at the, Fred, look at your boy, dog. This nigga.
Gotta get the thumbnail, dog.
I might take a picture or a video.
It's video.
Oh.
I think.
Why were you trying to bend over with pipes in your hand? Nigga, a fish, bro.
Hey,
oh
look at
my god.
Fred gonna
Get
fire
your
my
mans, Fred.
Look at me in my buddy club, Fred. Fred, look at me in my buddy club. Bro, I'm exhausted. I am very exhausted. I do need to eat and sleep. This doesn't feel right, right? Like, the way this doesn't feel right. Hey, we making videos. Yes, correct. I will be losing power with this 2.5-inch exhaust. Yes, I know this. Yes, it is stupid to downgrade from a 3-inch to a 2.5-inch. Yes, I know this. Yes, I am your man crush Monday. Cute. Bro, I really wanted the Poom Poom Club, bro. Bro, ever since Randy had the Poom Poom, I wanted the Poom Poom. You know what I mean? Like, it's just something about the Poom Poom, bro. Like, it sounds so good, bro. Like, when Randy be doing the flybys, I be like, God damn, I want that Poom Poom exhaust, bro. And now, $300 later, I got the Poom Poom. I ordered the 4 springs I needed in order to run the Poom Poom, but now I gotta order a 2.5-inch V-band, because I gotta V-band the exhaust, so it's cool and professional, you know what I mean? thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. You know what I mean? Check out the merch, even though I have nothing on my merch site. So merch, yes. I need to restock a lot of stuff, and I need to add more stuff. Would you guys like to see dad hats? Maybe mask? Let me know what you guys want to see from the Zosh MFG merch store, man. Car part stuff. Just let me know. And I mean, yeah. All right, I'm out of here, man. Peace.